Ding, 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 ding. Breaking news. Robinhood app adds crypto or is going to add crypto very soon. What should you expect? Talking about it in this video, so stay tuned. What's going on, crypto trading, day trading people, wherever you are, whoever you are, welcome. My name is Patrick. I talk about cryptocurrencies, day trading, all that fun stuff. If you guys haven't already, you're new to this channel and you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, day trading, all that fun stuff, hit the subscribe button right now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But back to the breaking news. Back to the breaking news here. Robinhood is getting into cryptocurrency. Here's their new website, crypto.robinhood.com. Don't sleep. Don't ever sleep. They basically want you to use their app 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can do it all for free. What's the catch? There's got to be a catch, right? So it's free, but why is it free for? Well, the reason it's going to be free is going to be really, really bad. And I'll be fair. I'm going to be optimistic here. But CoinBase, they charge you to buy and sell, and they can't even keep their website working when cryptocurrency starts crashing. So Robinhood, they're doing this for free. Hey, you know, I'm all about free things. I'm all about people being able to buy and sell for free. That's awesome. Trust me, I would love to be able to do that, and I think it's amazing, which I do that anyway with GDAX. Is Robinhood going to be the answer to people getting into cryptocurrency? Obviously, it's going to make it a little bit more accessible. It's going to make it easier for people to get into cryptocurrency. So it could be a good thing. This could be a cool thing. Maybe they add Digibyte and Digibyte goes to the moon because everybody wants to buy Digibyte. You know, fingers crossed here for me. Let's kind of break down what they're talking about. So if you haven't used Robinhood before, it's a stock trading, day trading, not really, it's more stock trading. Let's call it, you know, a place you can buy and sell stocks for free. There's no commissions. So you can buy and sell any stock that you want depending on volatility. Some days you can't buy and sell every stock you want because there's volatility, but I'm not sure how it's going to work with the cryptocurrency. So some of these penny stocks that go crazy in the stock market, Robinhood limits. What are they going to do when Bitcoin drops 50% in one day? Are they going to let people buy and sell? I'm confused about that part. So I am interested to see what their whole, you know, mindset is, because they are kind of, you know, big into stopping people from putting all their money into risky stocks. That's one of their things they're kind of known for, is keeping people from buying crazy stocks. But let's say Bitcoin starts crashing in one day. Are you going to be able to buy and sell it fast enough? Coinbase crashes every time Bitcoin crashes. Every time Bitcoin goes up big, Coinbase crashes. Every time it drops big, Coinbase crashes. Robinhood, are they going to be able to handle the volatility? I'm not sure about that. And kind of looking at their, you know, their whole thing is you'll be able to buy stocks, you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency and do it all on one app. I think you can also do options now as well. So you get instant access to funds, get instant access to your funds when you deposit or sell stocks to buy cryptocurrencies. On Robinhood, you'll never miss out on an investment opportunity again. I promise you, you will miss out on an investment opportunity when you're using Robinhood, because it will end up freezing on you, or you won't be able to buy or sell, or something's going to happen. I was a fan of Robinhood. I'm still a fan of it when it comes to people first getting into stock trading, stuff like that. It's fun, it's easy. You can buy and sell, you know, one share of a stock. It's cool in that sense that you can start to learn trading, but it has a lot of flaws when it comes to actually trading stocks. I'm very skeptical on how this is going to work with the cryptocurrency world. Like I said, because Bitcoin goes up big, it crashes big. Is Robinhood really going to keep working when everything's going crazy? So really, it looks like it'll be February before this actually launches. It'll be available to our first group of customers in February on a state-by-state basis. So depending on your state, you might not be able to buy or sell. Robinhood Crypto will initially be available to customers in California, Massachusetts, Missouri, and New Hampshire. We plan on adding support for more states soon. So that's the drawback. So it's not going to be every state right away. Crypto trading. What is the minimum amount of cryptocurrency I can purchase on Robinhood Crypto? So you can place an order or buy or sell for any US dollar amount above 10 cents. So, okay. So here they're talking about how it's going to work with their trades. It says cryptocurrency prices are volatile. To help protect your market orders against dramatic moves, market orders are adjusted to limit orders up to 1% for buys and 5% of sells. Let's say you go to sell your cryptocurrency, it crashes more than 5% right away. You're not going to get sold because you're going to have a limit order, which is interesting that they're doing it like that. How long will it take to get your proceeds from my sales? You'll receive the proceeds from your sales to purchase stocks, options, and other cryptocurrencies immediately. There is no settlement time on Robinhood Crypto. How does Robinhood Crypto calculate cost basis for cryptocurrencies? First in, first out. Okay, boom, boom. It sounds like you won't be able to transfer your cryptocurrency out of Robinhood. Cryptocurrencies purchased on the Robinhood platform are stored in a mix of hot online and cold offline storage. We use cutting-edge security measures that are both process and technology driven to secure your coins. That is another questionable thing. So now they're going to be holding everyone's coins, and I can already see what's going to happen. They're going to get hacked. I'm not going to hope that it happens because it's going to be terrible if it does happen, but it does seem like this could possibly happen and be a big issue. So you'll be able to buy the coins on Robinhood, but you're not going to be able to transfer them to other wallets. So it's not like you can buy Bitcoin and then transfer to your outside wallet. It's going to be all kept on Robinhood. So that's it's interesting. That's interesting. That's not really what cryptocurrency is all about. Cryptocurrency with Robinhood, they're holding it, and then you'll be able to sell it in the future, but you're not going to be able to actually have it. It's going to be pretty basic. You're going to be able to buy, sell cryptocurrencies. You can't transfer to your own wallet. There's not going to be any fees. It's going to be interesting to see how well the app works when you have a massive sell-off, when you have a big move in cryptocurrency. Like I said, Coinbase crashes all the time. They crash once a week. Whenever Bitcoin goes crazy, Coinbase crashes. And they're making millions of dollars. Now, Robinhood is not making millions of dollars because they're not charging fees. So how are they going to be able to handle the volatility? It seems that the news was a little bit more exciting than what it really is. Now that there's only 4 states that are going to actually be able to buy and sell, they're not even going to have access in Florida. Not that I would use Robinhood to buy and sell, but, whatever. In terms of how do I think this is going to affect the price of cryptocurrency, it's going to make it a little bit more accessible for people to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But in the big picture, the big whales aren't going to be using Robinhood. And I think a lot of people that are going to be buying and selling using Robinhood are going to be small fish, not going to make a huge move in the overall cryptocurrency. Is it great that people can buy and sell cryptocurrency through Robinhood? Yes, that's awesome that people will have more exposure to it. But at the same time, it's going to be more risk. People are going to lose money quicker because they're going to be able to buy and sell for free. They're, just getting into it or whatever they're doing. They don't really know what they're doing. And we'll see what happens in that sense. But I think overall, this isn't going to have a major effect on the cryptocurrency world. I think a lot of people who are, diehard cryptocurrency people aren't going to want to be able to buy and sell just through one app. They're going to want to hold their own coins. That's the whole part of cryptocurrency, is having that decentralized system, where this whole Robinhood system is more so just, hey, you can buy Bitcoin, we'll hold them for you, and then when you want to sell them, we'll sell them for you, but you can't really do anything with them other than that, which is really kind of against the whole idea of cryptocurrency. Robinhood already has kind of a bad rap in the stock trading world. Is this really going to be used to be trading cryptocurrencies? Probably not. Most people are going to be buying with Robinhood. Like I said, they're just going to buy a little bit. They're going to just kind of want some kind of exposure. But I think the real people that are into cryptocurrencies are going to stay away from Robinhood. So there it is, my take, my opinion, my ideas. If you don't like it, there's the door. Don't let it hit you where the good Lord split you. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys later on.